Before painting, let's discuss the petal colors. So we are going to have deep yellow, that is gamboge, yellow ochre, and that's an in-between color shade that I have. And that's a little bit of orange maybe, and a dark brown. And black would be in the center with the dark brown. So I think we shall begin first with erasing the pencil lines to make them a little lighter in case they have turned out as dark as mine. So first we are going to take the chrome yellow or the gamboge yellow as the base color of our petals, making it nice and bright by picking up more color and some gamboge plus yellow ochre plus a little bit of orange as my darker shade to give the shading. The creases I'll be giving on the top later after I do the whole layer of petals. So right now we're just painting the base color with a little bit of shading as wherever I see. And for the shading I'm going to use yellow ochre plus orange, because ochre makes it look too dull I feel, and orange is too bright, so I think it's a color which is in between both of them.